Goodyear ceramic titanium beam wiper blades are a great upgrade to any vehicle, engineered to last 2 times longer and delivers complete visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 19mm push-button wiper arms. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler, or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 19mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will not fit. If you have a 22mm arm, it will fit. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by grabbing the back of the adapter and pulling up. Discard the adapter. Next, find the adapter labeled 3H8. Now, straighten the wings on the 3H8 adapter so they extend past the back of it. To make things easier, these wings can be removed. Install the adapter onto the base of the blade by aligning the arrows on the adapter with the U-hole in the base blade. Now, snap it down into place. Then, with the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the wiper arm. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Using your Goodyear ceramic titanium wiper blades. Performance you can trust.